I brought in an energetic protocol that I'll share with you now, where you take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line, invite your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self in teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides to energetically reference any fragments that you are holding that are not yours. Fragments that you are holding that belong to people that you have attacked in previous incarnations, perhaps even in this incarnation. And to return all of those fragments back to their right and perfect place, sending appropriate energetic information, returning all empathic sensations with it. Returning fragments, returning fragments, returning fragments, using your higher self, your energetic fields. You could even imagine having like a little tennis ball machine, chucking, hucking all those little fragments back to their right and perfect place in a higher realm where they have the capacity to be received. And then you could simultaneously have a vacuum cleaner set up, sucking all of your fragments, cleaning them, recalibrating them, re-embedding them in your own divine cosmic loop for the soul rider, for the body and the teams, retrieving your fragments off of everyone and everything, cleaning all empathic sensations off it. So you've got your tennis ball machine, you've got your vacuum, and all day long, in some higher realm, you're just holding this gentle awareness of returning and retrieving fragments appropriately. Sending information, returning responsibility, retrieving your fragments, cleaning, clearing, recalibrating, reweaving those vibrational fragments, holding the appropriate vibration in the divine cosmic loop for you, the soul, for your body, and your teams. Return and retrieve, return and retrieve, return and retrieve. And then breathe, balance and stabilize, update grids, all reference points, all ways in which you perceive. And I just heard something really interesting, that when we return and retrieve fragments appropriately, we stop feeling entrenched in our patterns. We start having more energy to change, grow, evolve, transform. So return and retrieve and see if it increases your bandwidth for life.